Dealing with the active template library 110 DLL runtime error is the last thing you need today. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. While we cover the technical fix for active template library 110, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Active Template Library 110, the Active Template Library ATL module for Visual Studio 2012. It provides the implementation for lightweight, high-performance COM objects used for interoperability between Windows apps. It is a mandatory dependency for older desktop utilities. A missing atl110.dll indicates that the 2012 Visual C++ Redist package is either missing or corrupt, which prevents the host software from allocating its internal resource handles. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Your first step should be a manual reinstall of MSVC Redist 2012. Head to the official Microsoft site, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributables, and install them to update the system files. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Active Template Library 110. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please use caution. Replacing Active Template Library 110 DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users interested in automation concepts, the Maintenance and Repair Kit linked below provides background information on managing Active Template Library 110. To keep Active Template Library 110 running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.